Darnell completed 35 push-ups in 1 minute, which is 8 more than his previous personal best. So we're going to take D, and we're going to use that as his previous personal best. And then we're going to add 8 more for his new record. This has a total of 35. Then it says Mia completed 6 more push-ups than Katie. If Mia completed the same amount of push-ups as Darnell completed during his previous personal best, how many push-ups did Katie do? So Mia has completed the same amount as Darnell's previous personal best. So this is the same size as Darnell's. Well, actually it should be a little bit longer here. But this was 6 more than Katie. So we're going to take that 6, and we're going to take Katie's and tack on an extra 6. So then we're going to try and find Katie's. Okay, if Darnell did 35, and that was 8 more than last time, then 35 minus 8 would tell us how many Darnell did last time. So we can carry our 1. 15 minus 8 is 7. This one changes a 2 to a 2, so we have 27 for Darnell. Which means that this is 27. And to find out K, we need to take 27 and remove 6, which is 21. So K must be 21, which means Darnell had 35 push-ups, Mia did 27, and Katie did 21.